So today we are going to practice another Leetcode problem, which is Roman to integer. So we have to convert Roman number into integer. Basically we have to return the integer of the Roman number. So in the description, the symbol of Roman number is given, that how we represent any number into a Roman. So we will see here how we represent any number into Roman. So I will write down here. So 1 is represented as I, 5 is represented as V, 10 is represented as, here you can say I am not writing here symbol I is 1 in integer, symbol V is 5, symbol X is 10, symbol L is 50, symbol C is 100, symbol D is 500, symbol M is 1000. This is how we represent any integer into Roman number. So I will get into the code. Before writing code, I will explain here what I am going to write into the code. So I will write down the step here. Okay, so step 1. Step 1 is we will create a dictionary and store Roman number as a key and integer number as a value. Create a dictionary and store Roman number as key and integer of Roman number as value. Okay, then step number 2, then we will take the Roman number and we will compare the last 2 digits of the Roman number from right to left. We will keep doing this. We will start from right and we will keep doing this to the left, and we will compare the last 2 digit number, and we will check that if which one is smaller. If the previous number is smaller than the current number, so we will subtract the previous number from the current number, and if both number are equal or previous number is greater than the current number, then we will add both number. So I will write down here. Start comparing the last 2 digit from right to left and check that which 1 is smaller or which one is greater. Step 3, apply if else condition. If the previous number is smaller than the current number, then we will do subtract the previous number from current number and else or if previous number is greater than or equal to current number, then we will do add both numbers. Step number 4, we keep doing this, keep doing step 3 until we reach to the first number or digit. This is what we are going to do into the code. And step 5, we will return the last output we get. We will return the number we get after adding or subtraction, whatever the condition will be there. That will be our the integer number. So let's get into the code. Let's write the code here. So I will create a dictionary here. So let's dict is equal to I comma v comma x comma l comma c. Okay, now we will write down here the value of the key. I is represented as 1, b is represented as 5, x is represented as 10, L is represented as 50, C is represented as 100, and D is represented as 500, M is represented as 1000. D is represented as 500, M is represented as 1000. Okay, we have created a dictionary here. We will follow the step number 1. Create a dictionary and store Roman number as a key and integer. We have done this, so I will remove this step here. Okay, now we will follow the step number 2. Take the Roman number, start comparing the last 2 digits from right to left and check that which one is smaller, which one is greater. Okay, so first we will create another variable, let's say n is equal to, and we will store the length of the string here is s, which is store Roman number. So length of s. Okay, now we will be doing here, we will be creating another variable num is equal to dict of s of n minus 1. Okay, so what this is, this line does is it will first it will solve this problem, this bracket n minus 1. So what is n? N is length of string. So suppose this Roman number we have given. Okay, so what is the length of s? 3. The length of s is 3. 1 2 3. Okay, so the value of n is 3, and now here num is dict of s of 3 minus 1 2. So n minus 1 is solved. Now it will solve s of 2. S of 2, here we will see a string. Suppose we have given is s equal to Roman number 3, so 0, s of 0, s of 0 1 2, s of 2 is I, so then it will dict of I, it will give 1. So num will be stored as in the variable num 1 is stored, 1 will be stored, num is equal to 1. So this is what this line does. It is stored the integer number of the last digit of the Roman number. Okay, now we will apply here for loop. For I in range, and we will give the range here n minus 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 colon. Now we will apply if else condition. If dict of s of I is greater than equal to dict of s dict of s of I plus 1 colon now we will here num plus equal to dict of s of I, else we will apply here else condition, else num minus equal to dict of s of I. Okay, now we'll press enter, then we will return num. Okay, return num. So we have done step number 1. This we have stored the Roman number as a key and integer number as a value. Okay, now let's see the step 2. Take the Roman number, start comparing the last 2 digits from right to left and check which one is smaller and which one is greater. So here we have created a for loop here, and then we are comparing here the bracket music. We are comparing the previous number with the current number, and we are starting from here. You can see that I have given the range n minus 2 minus 1 minus 1, so it start from right backward. So it's 7 minus 2, so it start from backward and it will go to the minus 1. Okay, now we are here. Step number 3, apply if else condition. If the previous number is smaller than the current number, and we will subtract the previous number from current or previous. Okay, so we have write the step number 3 here. If dict s of I is greater than equal to dict of s I plus 1, then we will add, else we will subtract. Step number 4 is also, it's a for loop basically, and step number 5 we will return number. Now let's see that the code is working or not. Then we will run the code here. Invalid syntax. Okay, this space was there. Another bracket is missing here, so you can see that it's working. Now we will change the test cases. Let's take LV33. Okay, LVII, run the code. 58. Now I will submit this. Let's see, it's accepted. So that's for the video. Thank you.